Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on the Samsung Galaxy A06 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can find various customization options for your device, including display settings, security settings, and accessibility features. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. In the search bar, type apps and wait for the results to appear. This will display the relevant options for adjusting your default app settings. Step 4. After performing the search, find apps and tap on it. Once inside, tap on it again to open the full list of installed applications. Step 5. For the last and most important step, choose any app you would like to uninstall, then tap Uninstall, and lastly, tap OK. The app will be removed instantly from your phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.